Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. I got another unboxing. It's unboxing time. This time I actually know what's inside this box. So I get my big unboxing knife and safety first. Cut away from yourself to avoid any injuries. So I got this package Saturday afternoon. These some new earbuds from Haylou. As a matter of fact, I also got some Spinfits for them as well. So this is the Haylou GTI 2022 true wireless earbuds. You got the what is that? The scratch and check authentic. Okay, it says right here on the box, low latency mode. Turn over on the back. This sticker is covering up pretty much everything, but I can see AAC audio codec and Bluetooth 5.2. Turn over on the side. Smart call noise cancellation. Okay. These look like a little dot style. They kind of look like the Soundpeats Mini Buds or the Mini Pro. Just open these things up right quick. Last time I bought some Haylou earbuds was the W1. Those are stem style. I was happy to try out just some regular dot style earbuds. All right, lift that up. Yeah, I don't need to read that. Okay, the case is really small. This definitely feels like the Soundpeats Mini. Yeah, look at that. Got the Haylou branding on the back. That's the hinge. This is a plastic case. Yeah, the lid's kind of flimsy. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So we get some ear tips, and they got them in a corn. Oh no, that's not ear tips. Actually, yes, there is ear tips, and it looks like oh, let me open it up and see. I think these are kind of ear wings or ear stabilizers. Let's see here. Yep, ear wings. Okay, so this is reminiscent of the, what is it, the Soundpeats True Free 2 with the ear tips. Okay, that's nice. Got a USB Type-C cable. And we have a little brochure user manual. Let's see, I can read here, there is no volume control, but it controls everything else. Pause, play, previous track, next track, triple tap, turn on latency mode, activate voice assistant. Okay, cool. All right, we looked at all of that. Put that all to the side. Let's look at the earbuds themselves. Okay. Ooh, very nice looking shape. Look at that. Very ergonomic looking. You got some film on here. Let me take that off and see if this case has any charge to it. I don't think it does. If not, that's fine. I can always charge these at a later date for the review. Look at that. Hold on. There is some charge. You know, if you can see the lights. But yeah, this does got some charge to the case. It looked nice. USB-C port at the bottom. Very lightweight case. Very small earbuds. And I'm definitely throwing on the CP360s right here. These are the small and the medium. Turn over on the back. You can see super small, small, medium, large, extra large. So that is it. It's been another unboxing. Haylou GT1 2022. Be sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Click the bell icon. Yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.